What's up, everybody? Welcome to modfx. As you can see, we're working on a new spot. It's going to be our new shop. So 2020, you know, a lot of stuff's been going on, coronavirus, different things going on in the world. But we took a little bit of time to invest in ourselves, as I always say, and we're going to put together a new footprint that everyone's going to benefit from. And so, as you can see, we're just going to show you a preview of what our new shop is. And Jose will kind of tell you where we started, where we came from, as far as what we had to do to get the shop up and running to this point that it's at now. And then y'all will see the after once we get everything moved in and get going. So y'all stay tuned.
Yeah, so when we first walked in here, the concrete floors were not to our expectation. It was kind of one of the minor things that we thought that was like, we can live with it. The construction in the office was not to what we wanted as well. There was a couple of things we had to change up. The positives on a lot of the shop is definitely the space. So it comes with air conditioning for us, and we painted the office to kind of like what we expected. We kind of used the black and white theme with a little bit of destroyer gray in it, kind of like the Mopar themes and Mopar colors. We did have an electrician come in as well to put in some outlets for us and put in the electrical for the lifts is about 220, right? Yeah. 220 volts and whatnot. Randall also suggested we should throw in some nice lighting, so we went with some high bay lights, which is LEDs. Has about 15,000 lumens, something like that. Yeah. So look at the spacing. It is squared. We got two big doors. We have a big enough door for pretty much an 18-wheeler almost. So you would say a tall truck, so we can actually work on taller vehicles now. The floor, the concrete floor, was just done a few days ago. We're letting it dry before we fully move in. This was a project that I did not expect to be as hard as it was, because we had to get somebody to come and patch the concrete. We had to get somebody to blast the concrete and then come and epoxy the floor. But as you can see, it turned out pretty nice. I mean, it's our, I would say, the way we would like it or expected it to come out. And then we can walk over here. We added a couple windows. Threw in some wood floor. We still have a little bit of the trim and stuff like that. I threw up some casings around the windows, and I had some 3x3 and 3x5 windows put in. We got some electrical outlets put around for maybe some TVs and stuff like that. We'll have a front counter there. We'll have our company logo and banner behind it. We'll probably have a TV over here and maybe some little lounge chairs and some stuff like that, so when people come in, and maybe some samples of either wrap, lighting, and stuff like that. But stay tuned for all that. We're very excited to have everybody come check it out once we're completely done. Like I said, me and Randall put our heart and soul into this one, so hopefully it's what everybody's expectation is. It meets up to the expectations.
And so in short, like we say, we live, but just remember, nothing happens overnight. You know, we've been working on this for a long time, and you know, if you dream it, you can achieve it. So the sky's the limit. Put your hard work into whatever you do, and who knows what will come out of that. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna show you what we can do, and we appreciate y'all support. And thank you for watching. Peace.